kalaban niya ngayong NU using the Letran Lady Knights. Nandun din yung familiarity against a team using a different weapon, kumbaga.
Makakapag-review ka din eh, no? A nice save by Celine Marsh. Ardillo will send it over high. Punta kay Ledesma.
Naku, merong papatong doon eh. Not quick enough for the blockers to anticipate natin.
This early, yep.
Oo, this early dito sa ating laban between NU and Letran.
No good coming from Jodiel Nitura. Kay Bombita was rejected. Celine Marsh sending it over. She was out of position. Nitura, the second try, it's good.
The fire. Itong titignan mo yung Letran, no? Compared dun sa game kanina natin.
Sa Vili Collegiate Challenge. Angelique Ledesma. Malambot yung running. Kay Bombita. Rejected.
Good block there by Sari. I think that's a first block. Net defense. Nabasa kagad kung saan magagaling yung atake.
Proud native galing sa Bicol. Siyempre, nakangitigil din sigurado yung utol niyan, si Chris Bombita. But that attack, Gia Makilang, the Bulldogs.
Oh, grabe palang lumipad tong si Makilang. Floating in the air, getting that attack.
8 NCAA championships. Yung kanilang women's volleyball team. Celine Marsh, rejected. Pono, punta sa kabila. Bombita! Galing sa uno.
Oo, galing sa uno. Tama, Jay. Time na makaset up ang blockers ng Letran. You just have one blocker to beat. Mas bata to get better. Have those tips and advice.
Ayan, season player, Mirta Escanlar.
Dos and uno.
For sure, will read niya sa wing spiker position na yan eh. May taglay na kabigatan naman. Tapos may kay Bombita pa na nabutata lang ni Sari. Letran na the offense. Royce de la Cruz.
Kaya minsan, di naman kailangan lang. Alam ko saan dadali ng bola. And De La Cruz was able to evade the blocker.
Jump serve ni Myrtle. Ganda na reception ni Lara May Silva. Nahuli lang si Jodiel. Another try for the Lady Knights. Jodiel, the second time, still dug. Ardillo setting it to Bombita.
Grabe, good, excellent Bulldogs to be able to set that attack and get that score to give them a 1-point lead. Jump serve, bigat nun.
Sheena Sari.
Sabi niya, kahit gaano kabigat ang atake, kung matibay naman ang depensa, pwedeng i-translate ka agad sa atake ng koponan mo.
By our count, she already has 4 points. Celine Marsh, yes!
Ito that they're going to the middle. Umabol yung blocker, nahuli yung middle blocker. Marsh putting that away for the Lady Bull. May makirang kanina eh, lumilipad eh.
Errant reception, nagawa ng paraan. Muntik makapunto si Celine Marsh. Gia Makilang, the drop will work!
Sa Tagalog, utakan yung laro and she was able to come on, just enough.
Saktong-sakto yung target. Hindi naka-opensa ng maayos ang Letran. Abby Pono will go to Chamcha Maaya. Who just
out,
set
16 all.
The height advantage, di ba? Tulad yan. Yun yung front line mo. Bibilisan mo as Chamcha Maaya scored an ace. Bibilisan mo.
Exactly. And what an ace there for Maaya. That's the third ace for the NU Lady.
Ayan, yung ball control. Naka-opensa ng maayos.
Just like what happened here.
Pang-hotpot ni Gia Makilang. Jiangnan hotpot attack of the set. Naglalaro ngayon para sa seniors team. That's Carlin Natalie Tizon. With a serve. Atake ni Sari. Wala. Estrelier kay Sari ulit. That is it. Set it out. Yun yung hinanap natin kanina. Pero ito yung best setter ng UAAP. Or isa, dating best setter. UAAP, Gia Makilang.
Pero just enough to evade 2 blockers down the line. Ties the game at 20.
And this offense will go to Makilang. Couldn't get it. Myrtle couldn't get it as well. Nice dive by Lara May Silva. Sari setting it over. Aatake sa Enyo si Myrtle. Almost. And Enyo will...
Even to that last point, Jay.
Naiangat ni Lara May kaya lang masyado lang mababa yung pangat. Not enough height. And difficult set. Cartillo setting. Bombita scoring.
Bita getting those attack points for them, even if the setters or the blockers are already set for
NS Bullpups lineup. Lady Bullpups lineup doon, no? There was a Celine Marsh as Letran. Want to play. Estrelier nasa scoreboard na.
Minsan, di ba? Pag
They can still use one over reception. Pero ready si Celine Marsh. Myrtle Escanlar.
between 2 blockers, just like this one.
Eh pag lumusot yung palo na ganyan, malakas pa. Hotpot na natin yan. Diba? Jiangnan hotpot, attack of the set. Hotpot pa, attack na sa Jiangnan. Second technical timeout.
Yung atake.
Set up kay Makilang. Nandun si Celine Marsh. Myrtle. Rejected by Royce de la Cruz. Lams to Myrtle. Mukhang napasobra yung set. Makilang. Ang drop. Hindi naabot ni Cham Cham.
Twice
Either
already.
na yan.
Biglang just over the blocker. They've been doing it very well.
Matulis na malakas. Yung nga lang napababa. Samantala, Celine Marsh. Cross court.
Inabagan talaga ni Marsh yung set sa kanya. Yung buwelo niya, napakalayo.
Maaya. She will score.
Giving them a 2-point lead, 22-20. So, importante for...
Dito sa second set. Tumayaw back set. Play goes on. Opensa ng NU. Pono to Myrtle. The drop. No. Gia Makilang was there. Lara May. Punta. Kay Colendra wala. Myrtle. That is in.
24-21, and at this point, if you have one more timeout, then you use that one to freeze that server.
Wala, sinasagad mo na kaagad eh. Di ba? Wala na ba ibang dadalhin yung...
Entering her second year. Come season 87. In the meantime, Nitura, no good. Myrtle Escanlar. Look at that swing. Umiikot talaga yung braso. Not that time though. Nice dig by Silva. Makilang. Sending it to the back. It's good.
That para maka-atake ang Letran. And Makilang doing the right thing.
Our story you saw earlier. Pono going to Escanlar. Rejected by Nitura.
And somehow, they're able to have an answer to the onslaught of
Another sharp serve. Jutiel Nitura. Blocked by Bello. Second time. Iniwasan na si Bello.
She did. They're up 16-14.
Jiangnan hotpot attack of the set. Hotpot ba? Attack na sa Jiangnan. Tambak kanina yung Letran. Pero sila magdadala sa atin sa ating second technical timeout.
Leap, and she's up for it. Jay and Coach Eds.
Oo nga naman, no? 1-0 na si Chamberlain Cunyada sa kanyang coaching career. Coach niya ngayon. Diba? How to figure out to stop this impending... At lamang pa sila.
And yes.
Ahoy! Almost an ace. Nahabol ni Shaira. Estrelier will go to Makilang.
You see, nanggaling pa sa malayo yung set na yon for Makirang.
Jiangnan Hotpot attack has to overcome. Gia deflected by the blockers of NU. Celine Marsh rejected. Shara Hardio was there. Maaya dinalaghintay. Estrelier to Gia. Yes!
Corner. And she has been successful on that last kanina. Tatlong sunod-sunod eh.
Teles Canlar, nasa harap siya ngayon. Letran pupunta kay Gia Makilang. No! Lamina to Birtel, sending it to the back. Lara May Silva was there. Makilang, that will go for Letran.
Yung angulo na yon going out yung bola, giving that set to Letran.
We are not yet done. That Gia Makilang attack will send us to kaibigan din ni Natalie. Kaya abangan rin yung update na yan. In the meantime, play goes on. Si Sesto Mayo pumasok para kay Nat Estrelier. Combination play!
Pagwas Canlar. Baon. Puntos agad for the Lady Bulldogs.
Tumalon. Kay Bombita. Corner packet.
Again, 10-point lead.
Second technical timeout tayo.
This one.
Bombita, no. Sari, good idea.
Then, gawa ng paraan. Meron na ba ibang way to try to get your point? And Sari was able.
Yan yung paulit-ulit na sinasabi ni Coach Oliver Almagro. Ooh, good block coming from Sheena Sari. Pesa ng NU. Collision on the side of the Lady Bulldogs. Ang offensive end ni Tura was denied by Hardio. Sesto Mayaw, Royce De La Cruz. Nandun na naman si Hardio. Myrtle from the back.
Bita and Myrtle.
1-2 punch, no?
Oh, very efficient for the NU.
Itong Letran, sunod nila makakalaban next week ang UE. Ito namang NU, ang susunod nila makakalaban